my name is Richard L. Wingett. I've built a long career out of designing and creating realistic rock work, and I'm here to share with you some of my favorite tips and tricks. So let's go. The tip is, always keep your tools on your belt at all times. Do not leave them lying around or toss them to coworkers through the air. This is very important when working at higher elevations. If you do drop something in a hole or from scaffolding, a lift, or even behind your armature, bending a piece of rebar just might be the answer. But if exact tool retrieval is needed, try my favorite trick of all. First, you loop some wire and send it through a length of pipe to create a choker. And then, go fishing. It's pretty quick and effective. And that's it, a tip and a trick. I'm Richard, and thanks for watching, and please visit www.carveright.com for more informative tips and tricks.